In this tutorial, I am going to share one of my favorite styles with you. To begin, I am going to get all of this gel and sweat and whatnot out of my scalp with the MoKnowsHair Scalp and Curl Clarifier. This removes buildup, soothes itchy scalp, reduces shedding, and improves the overall health of the scalp with botanical extracts and essential oils. I just love how this feels going in. It is so cool and refreshing, and it is getting my cleansing process started off right. You do not have to use this every single wash, but if you want to, it is safe to do so. I am working out almost every day and I am a scalp sweater, so I really need to get up in there and clean it out, okay? After massaging this through, I am going to rinse out and then use the MoKnowsHair Curl Hydrator Shampoo. This sulfate-free Pillow Soft shampoo gently cleanses while beginning the detangling process, melting away those tangles. It's formulated with carrot seed oil, an antioxidant that has vitamins A, C, E, and K, sandalwood oil, a soothing astringent, and marshmallow root, a high-protein plant that promotes healthy growth and enhances natural luster. This shampoo is concentrated, so start with a little and add more if needed. I like to smooth from the roots to ends and begin pulling the tangles apart. Then go back in and massage the roots with my fingertips. Keeping your cleanser in movement on the hair for at least 60 seconds amplifies its effectiveness in removing unwanted dirt and debris. This also goes for your face and body cleansers as well. This shampoo is designed to install moisture in the hair while restoring it, and it is the perfect setup for the curl restoring treatment. Protein-moisture balance is crucial to textured hair because it's what ensures elasticity stays intact, meaning the way your curls expand and contract during cleansing and styling depends on the moisture and protein levels being balanced in the strand. When the balance is off, hair can become either too mushy or too brittle. It'll break more, shed out more, and be less responsive to style setting. The curl restoring treatment is formulated to prevent and respond to the loss of elasticity. It has quinoa, the most complete with all the amino acids, to help fill in gaps in the cuticle layer while smoothing and protecting, mango butter for moisturizing elasticity boost, and mangango oil to prevent moisture loss. After all of the sections are detangled, I am going to cover with a processing cap and use my Hothead Deep Conditioning Cap to add a little warmth to my treatment. I love how easy this is to use. You just pop it in the microwave, pull it on, and go about your business while you deep condition. But be careful, don't go about your business for too long. Make sure you follow the timing chart. After cleansing and conditioning, my hair is clean, hydrated, strong, soft, and ready to be styled. I've gotten lots of requests for this half up, half down style, so I am going to show you how I set it up. I am using the MoKnowsHair Curl Styling Potion by itself, applying all over and distributing with my 3-row comb. Make sure you keep your spray bottle handy to keep your hair wet. If I weren't filming this, I would probably apply this product in the shower. It's just easier and saves me some time. Next, I am going to part my hair directly across the crown, ear to ear. Because I am going to create a bun out of this top section and my hair is long, I don't want too much hair in this part. So I'm cheating it forward just slightly so the section is smaller and the hair in the back has more height in the crown. I like to use bob pins to hold the roots and ends with tension while drying to make sure that the shape of the twist is set. I am also using larger sections of hair because I have a looser texture. If you have tighter curls or coils, you will want to do smaller sections for your twist. I chose to use the Curl Styling Potion by itself for a few reasons. One, I want volume, so I don't want to put too much weight or hold in the equation. The manipulation of twisting my hair together with tension is going to control the outcome because that's how it's being set. Two, I am going to sit under the dryer and I know my hair is going to hold the shape of the twist more because of that, so I don't need to layer multiple styling products together in this instance. 3, I want to be able to easily retwist sections if needed in the days after, especially with working out. So I am starting with less product. That way, if I do need to add a little bit more, I won't have a sticky situation. And last, by only using one product, my dry time is going to be a lot shorter. And these days, I gotta save myself as much time as possible. This is an example of how I reason through product choices with myself and what I used to do with clients. I think about how the style is going to be set, how it will be worn, and how it will be slept in, and how it's going to migrate over the days. Everyone's hair and routines are different, so you have to think about what you desire, how you intend to manage your styling process, and modify the style in the days after to find the best style setting method for you. As you go along in your journey, take note and pay attention to how your hair responds to things you try with your hair, and over time, you will be able to pinpoint what result you can get based on what you choose. The reality of it is, all types of stylers will work for your hair: creams, gels, puddings, foams. It just depends on your desired result and how you set it up. Now that my twists are all installed, I am going to use the Ion Touch Tech ceramic dryer and the Hair Flare soft hood bonnet to dry on medium setting. After about 50 minutes, my twists are dry and I am going to start making the bun in the front. I like to use a fine-tooth comb to smooth my hair when I'm using edge gel, and also follow behind it with my boar bristle brush. This tiny one from Denman is perfect for styles like this. I like to use a scrunchie for the base because it's a softer hold, so I won't have a headache and it's easier to get back out of my hair later. Next, I am going to do a little bit of separating so the definition in the ponytail stays visible, wrap it around, and secure it with a few bob pins. After separating and fluffing the back, I am going to add a couple pieces of flare. And just so you all know, Sally Beauty has so many cute hair accessories now. In just 1 hour and 20 minutes, I have a cute style that's easy to wear, work out with, and sleep on. I am going to pineapple the hair in the back in a large scarf at night and wear it in a scrunchie with a scarf around the perimeter during workouts, then just use my blow dryer to resituate the roots after. The entire MoKnows Hair Curl collection is available in Sally Beauty stores and online at sallybeauty.com. You can find more product information and links to everything used in the About section below this video, or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.